Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, trash builder stay. Get together last night. Went to get some milk in the morning. The neighbors open your wallet. I got a new I gotta go. Where would I go? I'm in the city now. Yeah, I know the story about a car being burned off. Didn't see it. What's your name, baby? I didn't see you before. What you say? You're middle class, but you lost it all. Oh, baby, come on inside. I'll get you a coffee. I can't get nothing. Yeah, she was nervous and shy. I climbed down to nothing. What you gonna do when you lost it all? She's the governor, the only soul they should have. What's that? Heroin and whiskey. Turn a blind eye, even that's so hot these days. So I got me some big corners, I'm still waiting to hear. And I got myself some clothes, ready to pack and leave. But where would you go? Travel's cheap, but the destination's finished. Just like here, just like here. Downstairs neighbor is a petty thief, in and out of jail for a mental health institution. Yeah, can never seem to get it straight. Looking good when it comes out, but something lets him down. But I stole myself when I was young. Fucked up backwards, nothing to do. I'm going for a walk, but I really don't know why I did the same thing yesterday 3 times. No job, no money in the wallet. Later on I found it on the floor with a picture of my baby. She left me because I was broke. Long time ago. Long time ago. Yeah. I tried just asking in places. Nobody stopped to even turn around and talk to you. Society's changed. If there ever was a society. Now the God National says coming back, but there's no nation to serve. There's about 65 or more living in the same place. Oh, Lithuanians hating fish and chips. You're gone on biryani and kebabs. You're gone on something, but I look at you, think you're a film star. Cause you called me, haven't you got no more clothes on, no more your own business. You should have run her down across the pantries. They wouldn't give her no welfare. Stopping her. I gave a bit of money to her. But there's nowhere for her to go. It all was better where she came from here. All blood the same color, you know. And she come right down in society. Like that middle class girl, I never saw her again. Maybe somebody from Austin Spencer's rescued her.